Guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we have a look of Chiliz cryptocurrencies. What's the price prediction, what's the high price, what's the price change, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold. I will show you in this video, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of that is news and update. Now let's see the price prediction of Chiliz. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Chiliz cryptocurrencies in a market. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. So friends, if we look the changes of the Chiliz cryptocurrencies in the chart, so the chart tells us that currently at this time, if we see the currently situation of Chiliz in the cryptocurrencies market, so they are now at this time ready for jumping and take a jump. And they are falls down for a later time, but don't worry about this falls. That's a small fall and that's a temporary falls of every cryptocurrencies of new month. So friends, if we see the average change of Chiliz crypto in the previous last 1 hour, so positive 0.35% change occur in Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Chiliz is about $0.471456 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour, friends. So friends, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of previous 2 hour. After that we look the previous price prediction of previous 1 week, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Chiliz crypto. As you can see now on the screen, the chart tells us that they now currently are neutral, not goes up and not goes down, as you can see here. So my suggestion, as I think they maybe goes upward in the future. So friends, if we see the average change of Chiliz in the last 2 hours, so the average change is absolutely good, positive 1.8% change occur in the Chiliz in the previous last 2 hours, friends. And the high price of Chiliz is about $0.482223 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last 2 hours. Now let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 week of Chiliz. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Chiliz in a cryptocurrencies market. So friends, as you can see here, absolutely bad time of Chiliz cryptocurrency starts. As you can see here, after a great falls, after a great jumps, as you can see, it's the average level of Chiliz. As you can see here, that's the average level, as you can see here. And now currently level of the Chiliz is about, as you can see here, now currently level of that, as you can see here. So they continuously falls down in the previous last 1 week. It's a bad time of Chiliz starts in the last previous 7 days. So friends, my suggestion for all of Chiliz holders, as you can see here, the average change is negative 12.48% change occur in the Chiliz. So that is a very bad news for all Chiliz holders. As you can see here, they falls down day by day, hour by hour. So my suggestion is that to sell Chiliz cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, they falls down very badly, so please sell it and be safe from loss. That's only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you, that's only my suggestion. As you can see here, they falls down. That is why my suggestion for all of you that sell it. They continuously falls down of the previous 7 days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.